Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 15, probability. Before starting the chapter, we will first study the definition of probability. Now what is probability? The chances of occurrence of any event is expressed in the terms of probability. Now what does this mean? Suppose it will rain today. So what are the chances of raining? So that gives its probability. Suppose a match is going on between two countries, India and say any other country, India and England, then what is the probability that India will win the match? So what are the chances that India will win the match? It gives the value of probability. Okay, the probability basically give the chances of occurrence of any event. Next is probability of event E. Probability of event E formula. It is given by P of E equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Probability of impossible event. This is the formula. After formula, what is the probability of impossible event? What is impossible event? The event which is not possible is called impossible event. Just for an example, what is the probability of sun rising in west? The sun will never rise in west. The probability of sun rising in west will be 0 as it is impossible event. Next is certain event. Probability of a certain event is 1. Now what is a certain event? The event which is 100% possible. That event is known as certain event. Now probability of certain event is 1. Example, what is the probability of sun rising in east? The sun will always rise in east. The probability of it is a certain event. The probability of sun rising in east will be 1 as it is certain event. Next formula is probability of event E and probability of not E equal to 1. Probability of event E means P of E. Probability of not E means P of E bar equal to 1. Values of probability can be, now what can be the values of probability? Values of probability will be 0 if it is impossible event, that we saw. Probability of a certain event will be 1, that also we saw. But what about the other probabilities? For all other probabilities, the value of probability lies between 0 and 1. If impossible event, the probability will be 0. If certain event, the probability will be 1. For all other events, the value will lie between 0 and 1. What does this mean? 0 is less than or equal to P of E is less than or equal to 1. Next question. Let us start exercise 15.1. In a cricket match, batswoman hits a boundary 6 times. Out of 30 balls she plays, find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. Now what are the total number of balls played by the batswoman? That is equal to 30. The total number of balls is 30 and number of balls having boundaries is equal to 6. Now we want to find the probability of not hitting a boundary. The number of balls on which boundary is not hit. Number of balls are not having boundary equal to total balls 6. 30 minus boundary 6. So 30 minus 6, that is equal to 24. Probability that she did not hit a boundary means number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes for not hitting boundary is 24. Total outcomes is 30. 24 upon 30. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. That means 4 upon 5. That is equal to 0.8.